The e-commerce industry has undergone a drastic change in recent years due to the advent of artificial intelligence, AI. AI has emerged as a game changer for the e-commerce industry and has paved the way for new possibilities. The integration of AI in e-commerce has brought about an unprecedented level of automation and customization, providing a seamless shopping experience to consumers. In this video, we will explore 10 ways AI is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. 1. Introduction to AI in e-commerce. AI in e-commerce refers to the use of machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and other AI technologies to automate various e-commerce processes. With the help of AI, e-commerce businesses can analyze consumer behavior, preferences, and trends to offer a personalized shopping experience. 2. Personalized customer experience. One of the significant benefits of AI in e-commerce is personalization. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of consumer data and personalize the shopping experience based on a customer's browsing history, purchase history, and preferences. This personalization can increase customer loyalty and lead to increased sales and profits for e-commerce businesses. 3. Chatbots for improved customer service. AI-powered chatbots have become increasingly popular in e-commerce. Chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answer customer queries, and provide personalized recommendations based on a customer's browsing history. This technology not only saves time but also increases customer satisfaction. 4. Visual search and product recommendations. AI-powered visual search can analyze product images and suggest similar products to customers. This technology can improve the search experience for customers and provide recommendations based on their preferences. Additionally, AI-powered product recommendations can increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. 5. Fraud detection and prevention. E-commerce businesses are vulnerable to fraud and cyber attacks. AI-powered fraud detection algorithms can analyze large volumes of data and identify fraudulent transactions in real time. This technology can reduce the risk of financial losses for e-commerce businesses and provide a secure shopping experience for customers. 6. Inventory management. AI-powered inventory management can analyze past sales data, consumer trends, and seasonality to predict demand and optimize inventory levels. This technology can help e-commerce businesses reduce inventory costs, improve stock accuracy, and prevent stockouts. 7. Supply chain optimization. AI-powered supply chain optimization can improve the efficiency of logistics, reduce delivery times, and lower costs. With the help of AI, e-commerce businesses can optimize shipping routes, reduce transportation costs, and manage inventory levels more effectively. 8. AI-powered pricing strategies. AI-powered pricing strategies can optimize prices based on consumer behavior, competition, and market trends. This technology can help e-commerce businesses increase profits while offering competitive prices to customers. 9. Voice-activated shopping. AI-powered voice assistants can enable voice-activated shopping, allowing customers to make purchases through voice commands. This technology can provide a more seamless and convenient shopping experience for customers. 10. Enhanced product descriptions. AI-powered product descriptions can generate compelling product descriptions based on consumer data and language patterns. This technology can improve the quality of product descriptions, increase customer engagement, and improve search engine rankings. Conclusion. The integration of AI in e-commerce has revolutionized the industry, providing a more personalized and efficient shopping experience to customers. AI-powered technologies can automate various processes, optimize prices, improve customer service, and prevent fraud. E-commerce businesses can benefit significantly from AI by increasing profits, reducing costs, and improving customer satisfaction. FAQs. Here are some FAQs related to AI in e-commerce. Q1. What is AI in e-commerce? AI in e-commerce refers to the use of machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and other AI technologies to automate various e-commerce processes. Q2. How can AI improve customer experience in e-commerce? AI can improve customer experience in e-commerce by providing personalized recommendations based on customer preferences, enabling voice-activated shopping, and offering 24/7 customer support through AI-powered chatbots. Q3. How can AI help prevent fraud in e-commerce? AI-powered fraud detection algorithms can analyze large volumes of data and identify fraudulent transactions in real time, reducing the risk of financial losses for e-commerce businesses. Q4. Can AI help optimize pricing strategies in e-commerce? Yes, AI-powered pricing strategies can optimize prices based on consumer behavior, competition, and market trends, helping e-commerce businesses increase profits while offering competitive prices to customers. Q5. What are some other benefits of AI in e-commerce? AI in e-commerce can also improve inventory management, supply chain optimization, and product descriptions, leading to reduced costs, increased efficiency, and improved search engine rankings. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing the e-commerce industry, providing a personalized and efficient shopping experience to customers while reducing costs and increasing profits for businesses. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see further advancements in e-commerce, making shopping easier, more convenient, and more enjoyable for customers around the world.